how to edit AI videos in HeyGen. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can edit AI videos in HeyGen, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To edit an AI video which you are trying to generate within HeyGen, open HeyGen and log into your account first. Now if you find your draft or any generated project inside the AI studio, you can simply select that, and from there you could modify the text script, swap or resize avatars and change the voice settings, adjust timelines and do all sort of other things. But on mobile, what you can do is from the app, from the bottom you can see this option called videos. Just go to videos and here you will see any type of videos that you might have generated using AI. So you could tap the three dots next to it and you could have been able to tap on the edit button if you want to modify that particular video, like adding some media layers or background music using the side panels and all of the other central canvas as well. And that way you should be able to edit the AI videos in HeyGen. I hope that the video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.